Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore, world laureate, he sent his first food in this side, and he stayed here for 3 weeks. And then on 31st October, he left for Guwahati, and then he visited Agartala and Agartala, and he went to Shantiniketan. Tagore wrote here many letters and two very small stories, Ekti Din and Ekti Chawni, One Day and A Glance. From his letter written to Hitendra Nandi, I am just getting. I quote, Tagore wrote, I feel very nice after coming to Shillong Hills. It is much better than Darjeeling. The place where we are staying is very calm and the roads are very quiet, covered with deodar trees and a small murmuring stream flowing with heavenly rhythm. Unquote. Leela Majumdar, the famous writer, he visited Tagore in this place. She wrote what about Tagore, what he was doing during those days in Brookside. I quote Leela Majumdar from Leela Majumdar's writing. Till date, all at last, the writer poet Rabindranath came to visit Shillong. All Bengalis of town gathered to visit him at Brookside. Rabindranath recited the poem Old Servant, Puraton Bhitto. I was totally surprised. We are amazed seeing his beautiful features. Very few people in this world are so good looking as him. His beautiful face, his beautiful voice, and his pleasant eyes. That was Rabindranath. We all know our Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore. And now we'll sing our song from Shillong Tagore Choir. We'll present Akash Bhara and another song.